Meaning of lynch.
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 Lynch. The term lynch refers to the extrajudicial killing of a person by a group of people, typically by hanging, without a legal trial or proper authority. The term originated in the United States in the late 18th century and is now widely used to describe any form of vigilante justice. The practice of lynching was often used as a means of enforcing racial segregation and terrorizing black communities in the southern states during the Jim Crow era, but has also been used in other parts of the world as well. Overall, lynching is widely considered a violent and unjust form of punishment that violates basic human rights and the principles of due process.